Welcome to the Casual Cook, formerly known as the Fundamentals. Today, I am going to make an amazing souffle omelette. Let's get cracking. You need to have 3 bowls because you are going to separate your eggs and you need a bowl for your eggshells. Crack your eggs, making sure that no shell is getting into your bowl. Next, separate your eggs using your hand and making sure not to break your yolks. Set aside your yolks and whisk your egg whites. When they get to a soft peak, put them aside and start whisking your yolks. Now combine your egg whites and yolks and give them a little stir. Put some oil into your pan and use a paper towel and spread them evenly in your pan. Pour your eggs into your pan. And spread them out with a spatula. Put a lid onto your pan. Add a knob of butter and a good amount of cheese. Once the edges of the omelet are firm, fold your omelet in half. And put it on a plate. Add a dollop of shredded cheese. I use sharp white cheddar. And add a sprinkling of fresh chives. Thanks for watching The Casual Cook, and I'll see you in the next one.